Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is NAGA AMOS and I'm coming with a new video as I'm coming with my new hairstyle. All my family member has been asking like movie editing software you are using. I'm using a Movavi editing software, so I'll be what thing and like the basic information I'll be showing for you from where I purchase. So watch till the end and take some idea. Thank you. Okay, go to the Google Chrome, open it and type Movavi editing and do you see this one, buy? Click in buy, and this link I'll be keeping in my description. And I purchased for one time lifetime one PC, so I purchased it and I click buy. Let me just show you, and let me just give you the detailed information here, and you see everything like this. And what you need to do is that like you need to first download the thing, the software. After you download it, here do you see email? In email, while you're putting your email and after you paying the payment method, everything, the card number, expiration date, social security code, everything after you agreed what you are putting in your email. This email, in this email itself, they will come you the activation code and you can activate it and you can use it. Okay, now let's open the software, the editing software right now. Takes time, yes. Loading. Yes, it's already open. So there is a two partition will be coming here. This is a new project that you can go and edit, and the second one is quick. This one is quick editing. You need to just put it, they will just edit for you. So let's go to this one. So the first one is like this. You can while you are opening, let me tell you a few things. In order to input sound, audio, picture, everything, you need to click here, and where do you save, open it, and you can input. Okay, so and the second is, this is the sound. Let's hear the sound. Yes, and this is some music, you can use it. This is free, they are giving by the software free all the sound. So let's hear. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 there are lots. You can hear lots. You hear this, yeah. So and here also there are lots of background simple video for the beginning, like this, like this, like this, like this, our wedding. And background, you can use this. I'm very fast. And this one also, and you can edit it, you can edit by yourself as well for this. Okay, let's go to the second one. The second one is like, let's go one by one here. How do you use? If you want to know more, I'll show you in the next video all the effect. There are different type of effect is available here. And let's go to down one again. This is like this. What do you call transmission? Like this. You can use a different type one. And let's go to down the lots. So if you want to know more about this, let me know. I'll do it separate video for you. Once again, the text. Let's go to the text. Like this, like this. Most of the people has been using this one. See, do you see director, producer? Interesting. And the last, most of the video has been, see this one. Thanks for this, you will see this. And this one, like this. So this is the simple, the first one. So the second one, let me show you again, the quick editing one. So the quick editing one, what you need to do, let me show you again. That is the second quick one. Let me show you. This is very simple. All this will be so out. So I'll just, let me show you some picture. Okay, let me just show you here one. I'll choose this one, and the theme has been come up. So what type of theme you want? There are lots of theme. None, traveling. If you want, if you're clicking, okay. So after you done this, next, and you can type here some information what you're doing, and after that you can save like this. So these are the two things. Okay, so thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you have any question, you please give a comment, so I'll be happy to help you, and I'll be happy to upload you once again. And I just want to give you advice, those who are suffering from corona, get well soon. And if you're sick, don't use mobile phone, don't watch TV, because that will hurt you. Because like if you hear like the corona patient that is in the hospital, if you hear, you will be having lots of tension, and you will be having more depression. So if you're sick, I just want to advise you, don't watch TV, don't use social media platform. Try to cure fast, and after that you cure, you can go ahead and watch TV, everything what you want again. And the second is cut your nail, because in your nail itself they can easy to get infection. So cut your nail and stay strong, stay healthy. And if this video is useful, you please give a thumbs up and give a comment, so that I can update you again what video, what like what type of video you need more. I'll just show you once again. So thank you so much, take care.